So yeah, this was sixth edition of Satyan Innovation Fest, and we have been organizing this from last 5 years. And I was so amazed to see the creativity of the students that have come from the 25 other schools from the city. And it was really amazing what they created in different challenges. And it's lovely to, curate such type of events at Sakpal Middle School in collaboration with Vizrobo. And thank you to Dimple Verma to help us in organizing this event. And the most important thing was our OC, who has organized this event and taken the lead to take this event forward. And it really helps them to develop the leadership skills and enhance their own creativity and work in collaboration. And yeah, so the room was full of energy in all these 3 days. And I have learnt a lot as an educator from all the participants, those who have come from other schools across the country. Thank you so much.